Hi, this is Lock Piggy's gal. I'm picking a lock that says X Games. It's got some camo on it. I'm doing this for Cherokees Lotto 8. If you haven't checked out her channel, you need to go over there. She's an excellent picker. And there we go. And I don't know if, there it goes. And that's the key bidding. And I'm hoping that I have an opportunity to enter this because I have some master lotto locks, but they're not new. And I think new locks are easier to pick than the older ones. I have some that I had bought off of Facebook for like $1 a piece. I'm still working on cleaning those. So, everybody else, good luck in this entry. It's been a lot of fun. I have a headache. I have bone spurs in my neck. So, it just adds more to the challenge of picking. But, any new pickers that are out there that are having difficulty, I always judge the tension by how you turn the key. And that's not very hard. And like this guard lock, if you put your tension wrench in there, you just barely have to turn it. So I would pick that kind of lock with light tension, but I could be doing it wrong, I don't know, but so best of luck, and thank you, Cherokee, for the opportunity for this giveaway. So everybody, good luck. Thank you.